Let me apologize for the wind noise again. I started doing some investigation and I decided this would make a good video for people wondering if they have the same problem I have. So anyway, this is a GT54 Kohler 7000 series engine, and I just put it back in service and I noticed a funny smell. The engine was running pretty good, but I noticed a funny smell and I saw a couple of mice, and I think you might know where I'm going with this. So I decided the funny smell smelled like mouse pee when the engine was getting hot. So I put 3 and 3 together and decided I'm going to take the cover off of this engine and look for mouse evidence. And look what I found. Right there on top of that cylinder, we have mouse nesting material. And if you could smell what I'm smelling right now, you would know exactly what it is I was smelling. So I'm going to look, there's some more stuff here. I'm going to vacuum out and then blow out all this little junk in here and all of that, because it's not going to help the engine cool off. So let me get rid of that. Let me show you quickly how I took this off. So this goes on like this. Okay. So you take the air cleaner housing off, right? I don't want to spill my bolts there, but this is just the air cleaner cover. Take that off. That's easy. Then you have a bolt here. These bolts. This bolt here. This bolt here. This bolt here. All 3 of those are the same. There's 2 10mm bolts on this thing. Something to do with the fuel. So 10mm, 10mm, and then that comes off the cover. And then a bolt here. I took that out completely, but you probably could have just left that in and just loosened it. And a bolt back here. Again, just loosen it. It's still in there. And then one here that I could have left on again. And then one back here that's also holding this little bracket right here. Just leave that in also. So loosen, loosen, remove, 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 loosen, loosen, and then this thing will come off. Now get in there and clean everything out.